Measurement metric unit conversions. This is a big one. This video is big. Please go slow, pause it, rewind. If you have any questions when you're done, call me. Let me know what I can do to help you. Okay? This is a big one, and it gets people sometimes. So let me start out by saying the metric system is awesome. I love the metric system. I think it's silly that in the United States we don't use it. All the metric system is one. You have one, and then you change where the zeros are. All right, it's amazing. So there's three types of units in the metric system. Meters measures distance. So you start with the meter, and it goes down to centimeter or decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Then you might go up to decameter, hectometer, or kilometer. Kilometer. Yeah, so like a 5K. A lot of people run 5Ks. That's a meter. That's a metric system. Liters measure volume. So imagine buying a 2-liter or 3-liter soda at the grocery store, right? So liters is roughly the size of a quart. And then a gram. The grams are measurements of weight or mass, okay? So distance or length. Gram is going to be like roughly the size, the weight of a paperclip, okay? But let's get into this. So with the three different units of measurements, with meters or liters or grams, you keep the meter in every single different type of measurement. You keep the meter, and then you change the prefix. Deca, deci, centi, milli. That is really cool about the metric system. It's the same word, it's a pattern. So once you figure out the pattern, you're good. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. And I have a really fun riddle for you coming up very soon. So here's a look at just meters. Let's look at a standard meter. 1 meter is the same thing as 10 centimeters. So there are 10 decimeters. Decade. 10 years in a decade, right? Decagon, 10. There's 10 decimeters in a meter. There's 100 centimeters in a meter. Centimeter, think about 100 cents in a dollar. 100 years in a century. It's all Latin roots. Centi is 100. And then milli, I know milli in Latin, mil is 1,000. So milli, there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Now watch this. There's 10 meters in a decameter. There's 100 meters in a hectometer. Okay, a hectometer. And then there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So 1K, a 1 meter is 1/1000th of a kilometer. Look at the symmetry here. Do you guys see that symmetry? 10, 100, 1,000, 10, 100, 1,000. That's why the metric system is so amazing. Okay? This page is a little bit confusing. It's complicated. So pause it, slow down, make sure you're with me. Okay? Our base unit, 1 meter, okay? So, how do we remember kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli? King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Whoa! King, kilo, Henry, hecto, died, deca, unexpectedly. So that's the unit. So this is just in the middle, we're going to have the unit, meter, liter, or gram. Drinking chocolate milk. That's awesome. Okay, so now this is a different way to look at it. 1 meter equals there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Okay? 1 meter is way bigger than a millimeter. There are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. There's 1 meter, right? 1,000 in 1 meter, and then there is 1,000 meters in a kilometer. It's pretty cool. That's so just understand. 1,000 is the biggest you're going to deal with, and deci means 10, centi means 100. All right, so we're going to get into kind of really looking at this, and there's a really cool trick on how to know, what each is worth. And this is, again, looking at kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. All right. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. You've got to remember that. Oops. Okay. To convert to a smaller unit, so a decimeter is smaller. The right side is smaller, okay? When you're looking at the screen, the right side is smaller. The left side is bigger. So when you're going to a smaller unit, you move the decimal to the right. So here we have 1 meter. Well, look. How many decimeters is in 1 meter? 1 meter, and then we're going to move it to the right. Look, it's 10. 10! And then we're going to move it to the right, one more column, right? 1, 2, 3. So one more column here. We started with 1 and we moved it 2 places. 1, 2. 100 centimeters in a meter. That's awesome. And then 3, look. 1, 2, 3. So cool. Now, if we're going to go to a bigger unit, larger unit, then you move the decimal to the left. Guys, a kilometer is the largest unit. Kilometer, kilogram, kiloliter. That's kilo is the biggest. So when you ever have any questions, kilo is the biggest. You're going to the left. All right. So we'll go over 1 column, right, to the left. So we started with 1, and we're going to move the decimal 1 place. Look at that. So it's 0.1. And now we're going to go over 1 more place. We started with 1, went over 1, right? And then now we're going over a second one. Look, it's 1/100th. It's in the hundredths place because here's our decimal. And then we're going to go over 1 more place, all right? 0.001. It's in the thousandths place. It's amazing. Kilo, 1,000, right? So divide 1 by 1,000, and then you get a kilometer. One meter is 1/1000th of a kilometer. It's so cool. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna kind of erase my my squiggles. Okay, let's say that we have 39 meters. And we'll stick with 39, right? Just 39. If we have 39 meters and we're going to go back to kilometers, that's 3 places. 1, 2, 3, right? So our decimal is going to move 3 places. Starting at 39. It's going to go 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 39 thousandths. So it moved from here 1, 2, 3 places. It's awesome. Now watch this. For hectometers, it's going to only move 2 places. 39. Started here. 1, 2, right? And then this is going to be 3.9. Do you see how the decimal is moving each column? How many decimeters are in 39 meters? 390. Right? We're moving it 1 time. So right here to here. 3,900. 39,000. There are 39,000 millimeters in 39 meters. All right. So, well, look. I'm gonna just to kind of keep the screen not so busy. Okay. Let's look at if I have 6.4 meters. how many millimeters do I have? I'm going to go over 3 columns, right? So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. And here's my decimal place. So the first column, in decimeters, how many decimeters do I have? 64 decimeters, right? 64 decimeters. Oh, because I moved it over 1 place value. Second one, 640 centimeters is equal to 6.4 meters. And then look, 6,400 millimeters is equal to 6.4 meters. This is difficult to comprehend, to understand. If you are struggling, please give me a call and let's go through these practice problems again and again and again. I want to help you. So, thank you so much for watching these videos. I appreciate it. Give me some feedback. Let me know what I can do better. And I hope you guys have a great day.